Hello and welcome to another Field-Proof tutorial. Today we'll be going over the image history, the picture-to-picture functionality of our software, and how it can assist you in making sure that you keep a nice historical record of all of the items on your inspections. So to do that, the first thing that we need to realize is that we need to be able to preserve the history of an inspection. In order to make sure that we're preserving that history, it is very important that you come over to Facilities, Manage, go into the individual facility that you're looking to preserve inspection history on, click on Inspection History, and then you'll have these duplicate buttons available to you. Now in this case, we have two completed tasks, one from Q1 and one from Q2 of this year. And I would like to go ahead and preserve this history. So if I click on Duplicate for the test facility Q2, I'll get a pop-up. I'm going to confirm and duplicate that. And now I'm going to have an active copy of that inspection ready to go. Now if I click on View, I want to click on Edit. So that way I can remove this copy language and change this to Q3. I'm going to save this. I don't have anything additional to add, so I'm going to complete it. And now that will show up underneath my scheduled inspections. If I click into this, we can see that all of my items are still here. The last notes from the item are still there. If I click on Images, even though it says 0 in Images, that's only for current images that I've already taken for this inspection. In this case, though, I have a few images that I can see were uploaded in the past for previous inspections, the last two to be exact. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload a new image. Actually, you know what? I can upload that from here just by clicking and dragging. Great. Now we can see that I have my current image from my current inspection and my two previous images. This section will always keep a rolling history of images that were previously taken. You can see them, they always have a time and date stamp. Obviously these were both done recently. And then if I go to my report, I can also see any current images that were taken and any recent images from the past. If I click on those recent images, I'll be able to see larger versions, just like I can with the current image section. That does it for today's tutorial. Thank you so very much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.